Hi, this is Tony. July 28, 2018. It's been a solid week of rain, and I got basically a rainforest going on back here. A lot of weeding, a lot of bean supporting I have to do, a lot of cucumber supporting in here, amongst where the brambles were coming up, the raspberries and the blackberries. We gotta come in and trim all this up. Got the sweet potatoes coming in real well. So a week of solid rain. I was away. I had to be away for a few days. And I was worried that things were just going to go to pot because of the Japanese beetle. But the kiwi are surviving. Got kiwi in here. The peaches got taken. Blueberries were picked. And that's a demolished, you see how much damage the beetles can do to grapes. That, you know, part of the reason I grow so much is so I can account for the damage that I'm going to suffer, because in some cases I end up pretty well with the grapes, because I've got grapes growing all up and through there, through here, through this big vine right here as well. See, here's a nice clump going on. And I grow good grapes, and this year's crop looks pretty productive. See if we can get a sneak in here. So being away a few days, and then a week of solid rain, I was worried that everything would be going to hell back here, but it's really become very lush. The squirrels are getting their pickings, but so am I. As long as I keep up with the chores, and that's what I'll be doing all day tomorrow.